Hello and welcome to this brief demonstration of the brand new sign ordering system from the Sign Guy. The new system can be found at the original webpage, which is signguyct.com. And you're going to go ahead and select the My Account login button like you have been used to doing. Go ahead and click that. And what's new here is a brand new landing page, or I should say login page. I'm using a fictitious agent, Sarah. I'm going to go be her and log in, and you'll be presented with a brand new landing page for the sign ordering system. You'll see a variety of new things. You'll see help prompts throughout the system based on what you're doing and what activities you might be involved in. There is a chat function down here at the bottom. If you'd like to get in touch with us, go ahead and use the chat function, as well as a variety of new links to features and functionality that you can explore over time. But to get right to the point on how to order a sign install, I'm going to hover over the new install button and click that. This will bring up the ordering form page for us. And again, more help buttons up here. At a minimum, we're going to need to have the address for installation. We're going to need a date that we want this and what post we're going to use if there's more than one provided. And of course, lastly, what panel arrangement we like to have here. So the first thing we're going to do is start with that address. So our listing is going to be 575 Bank Street. And you'll see the system's kind of doing a little bit of a look ahead to predict what we want. And what we want right there is that Home Depot in Waterbury. If we want to make sure we're in the right place, we can do a street view from Google. That does look like the Home Depot. And we could also do a map view if we're interested. So we've got the right address. What date do we want this? We could simply say, as soon as possible. Or if we know there's a specific date, if we're going to go live, let's say on Wednesday the 13th, we're going to choose that day. We're going to choose the post that we want if there's more than one available in our particular office. And then lastly, we're going to choose the main panels, right? So the system will provide to you different filtered views based on your preference. So here I'm selecting show only mine. So I've got my, let's say, legacy panel, and I've got my new panel. If I want to see what else is available, I can say, show me everything. And so, for example, if I wanted to just have the Sign Guy install a post, I might choose this. This tells the installer that you're gonna come out and hang your own panel. But let's just say for our demonstration purposes, we're going to choose our new artwork panel, and maybe we want a top rider, and we're interested in, say, special financing. Well, we don't seem to have that. There's a variety of free riders that you can help yourself to. So, for example, if this is a lease situation, you could choose that lease, borrow that from us with our compliments. But in this case, we're looking for something special which we don't have. So how do we arrange that? We're going to come down here. We're going to say we want a custom rider, and we're going to indicate what we want. We want to put in here special financing. That's our special rider we want, and we're going to get that added right there. Maybe on the bottom we'll use one of our existing riders, again, to show only mine, maybe our for information, call us sort of thing. So we're going to add that right there. Take a look at the order subtotal. We've got our post install for $35. We've got our custom rider $15 and a field surcharge for $2. It happens that there's a surcharge out to that location. And if there's anything else we'd like us to know about the installation, for example, if there's a image you'd like to send to us, if it's a land situation or something special, you can upload an image here or a plat. Please let us know how you have the preferred signpost installation location marked. So you might have a marking flag or painted a little X or maybe a stake, or maybe it's not marked at all. Just let us know. That way our installer can fulfill your wishes as best as possible. And also, if there's any kind of warning we should be cognizant of, if there's underground sprinklers, again, please let us know that. So there's our order. We've got our address, sign arrangement, everything's set to go. We go ahead and confirm our order, and we'll get a confirmation number from the Sign Guy. Our order number is 20,004 in this case. We'll also receive a confirming email. And then lastly, of course, you can always come back to the current install screen and see that our new order right here is pending installation. So again, lots of information available to you. We hope you enjoy the new system from Sign Guy. If you have any questions, feel welcome to call or text our office at 203-218-9126. And again, thank you for using the Sign Guy.